Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 17 in SST, and the topic is Great Indians. Now, this video is going to be provided for only class 4. The topic is Great Indians. Yes, as we know about many great Indians of our country, and today we are going to know about some particular person who sacrificed their life for our country. First of all, we try to know what was the condition of our country in British ruling time. As we know, India got independence, it means India became free in 1947 after 200 years of British rule. It means before independence, our country was ruled over by British. India became independent as a result of the continuous effort and a struggle of our freedom fighters. It means who were called freedom fighters, those persons are big great persons who struggled for the independence of our country. They were called freedom fighters. Many people who fought for India's independence, they were sent to prison. It means they were put in jail and even sacrificed their lives for the country. So now let us learn about a few these great patriots. These persons who sacrificed for our country are known as patriots. First of all, we come to know about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who was Rani Lakshmi Bai? Yes, Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the most important leaders of the revolt of 1857. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई 1857 के विद्रोह की एक महत्वपूर्ण नेता थी, who challenged the British rule in India by organizing a revolt against them in 1857. Now we come to know when and where was Rani Lakshmibai born. Rani Lakshmibai was born in 1828 in our country India and was named Manikarnika. It means her childhood name was Manikarnika. After being young, she was married to Gangadhar Rao, and Gangadhar Rao was the ruler of Jhansi. They did not have a son of their own, so they adopted a relative son whose name was Damodar Rao. It means Damodar Rao was as their successor, but Gangadhar died soon after and Damodar was too young to be king. Therefore, Lakshmibai became the ruler of Jhansi. So like this, when we study, we find how Lakshmibai became the ruler of Jhansi or king of Jhansi. So she is also known as Rani Lakshmibai. It means Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. Now we come to know at that time the British had introduced the policy of doctrine of lapse. What was doctrine of lapse? Yes, according to this system or policy, only a natural born son could become the ruler after the death of the king. In case there were no natural heir, the state would lapse. For example, pass into the hands of the British. So when we study, we find under this policy, the British asked the Rani to leave the fort, but meanwhile the revolt of 1857 broke out and the Rani decided to fight for the freedom of Jhansi. So she organized women in the army and prepared them for the revolt. What do you mean by the word here? Yes, here it means a person who is entitled to inherit the property of another, that is called here. So like this, when we study next para, we find Rani Lakshmi by joined Tantya Tope and Nana Sahib in the fight against the British. She was seriously injured when the British attacked her and soon died in Kalpi in 1858. So when and where Lakshmibai died? Lakshmibai died in Kalpi during this struggle in 1858. Now we come to know about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also a great freedom fighter, and he was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Yes, Ratnagiri is located in Maharashtra. He completed his studies from Deccan College, that is located at Pune, in 1877. He started his career as a teacher and later became a journalist. He criticized the Western education system. So, who criticized the Western education system? Bal Gangadhar Tilak criticized the Western education system as its heritage.